What is your name and where do you stay?
Okay, my name is Pankaj and she's Geetika. We stay in BARC colony in Chembur here.
Okay.
And
What is your child's age?
she's 3.5 years.
Okay. What were you looking for her?
We were actually looking out for something which actually is a mix of education as well as fun. We understand that the child, the best way for a child to learn new things is a way through fun activities. So this I think one thing which was required here is a kind of arrangement of books and games wherein the child is interested in and gathers more and more knowledge, which helps in children's development, mind development. That's what we were looking at for.
Okay. So before joining Toy Masti, did you consider any other toy library?
No, this is the first concept we have seen for the toy library, and we were very much happy to know about it. And this is very good concept. We need not to buy all the toys together and keep at home. They are all available. We can take for 1 week, 2 week. Mostly children lose their interest in the toys very quickly. So it is a good concept that 1 week, 2 week we can keep, and the child will play with full enthusiasm. Then we can change it, a new toy. So it's very interesting for the kids also.
So to second on that, the interest span, the attention span of a child is very less. So buying all the toys is not always feasible for a parent, mostly because of the cost factor as well as the space factor. We do not have more space to keep all the toys. So this kind of concept is like borrow for a week and then return and the new one. So the child feels very interested in new stuff, and we are happy. The child is happy. So this kind of concept is nice, and
actually it's a
really
new concept only that
correct.
we have seen.
So we really think that either this kind of facility is maybe increased, or there are more such things coming up in the vicinity.
Okay. So based on your experience, 2 good things you really liked about Toy Masti?
The collection of toys are really good, and for every age I can see many options here. So as my child is growing, I keep changing my track of her learning and education. So whole range of toys I can find here. That's very good.
That's one thing. Second thing is the timings which they have. I think week long they have the time.
Week long
they have the time week long, so that even
morning, evening, both timings are there.
So parents, yeah. So when they find time, they can come. It's suitable to morning or evening. One thing we would like to have, an addition in this kind of a availability or facility is on the website. If you have listings of all the toys or the books which is available, if you can e-book a toy, 1 week in advance, so that will give us, a lot of flexibility and free hand in choosing the right kind of, because when we come, whatever is available, we have to select on that. So if it's available on on the website, that will be a good thing. That's our suggestion.
Okay. So last question, from the scale of 1 to 5, how would you rate it for other parents?
See, it can be the kind of collection which Toy Masti has is really nice. We like every other parent, we would want more and more for our children. So if I rate it a 5, it will be not justified for my child. So I think 4 is the apt rating for Toy Masti. They can improvise on further enhancing, and keeping more and more educative books and toys available. So whatever there is, it's sufficient though. But then, as a parent, we would want more.
Okay. Thank you so much.